This is Ellie and
Hi.
my
Hi, Ellie.
daughter and Shannon, my neighbor.
Well,
Is that
listen,
helpful?
why don't you take a seat
Okay,
because um, I have major marching orders for you.
okay. We're ready
I
for you.
I don't think that we're going to be able to accomplish this in real time. We only have 30 minutes, and I
Right.
have a long list of to-dos.
Okay,
I'm going to send you all of my notes so that you
Okay.
have these to refer to.
okay.
But why don't I just start at the very top and we can take it from there? Yes. So I think this is the first installment of Rapid Refined. Changing a room in 30 minutes time will be a record. It's a little like drive-through decorating, but you know what? We're going to make it work. Okay, first I want to start with a lightning round of questions for you. The first question I have is, I have a pretty good idea of how you use this room, but I want to get confirmation from you. It seems like it's your office slash guest bedroom slash reading room slash crafts room. Is that fairly accurate?
Yes, I watch TV in here in the evening. I work on my computer desktop, and periodically it's a guest room.
All right, so we're on the right track. So for starters, the room's got a lot of great things going for it. It's got great volume. You've got these peak ceilings. You've got lots of space, a lot of floor space. The not so great thing about the current layout is that everything is sort of pushed out to the four corners.
Exactly.
And you've got so much great space, we need to use it. The first order of business is to center the rug in the room. It looks like front to back, you're pretty accurate, but side to side, it looks like the right has needs to come over a little bit more.
Okay,
So you'll need to do that because that's a bigger project. You're gonna have to remove things and so forth. You might even need more hands to get that done.
okay, we can do that.
And
Okay.
center that wall unit.
Okay,
And then take the day bed and center it on that back wall where the two ladies are sitting right now.
okay,
I take down all of the images on both of the walls,
okay,
remove them all. You've got, I counted 6 pieces of really nice black and white photography there. When you get that metro shelving centered, because you have 6 pieces, I do 3 and 3
on either side of the
on either
metro.
side. That's right. Where am I? There's so much to talk about.
But that's because I've got so much stuff.
Yeah, but you have a lot of really nice stuff and it just has to be repurposed.
Yeah.
The desk needs to come away from the wall. This is a thing that a lot of people do, by the way. What you've done in your room is a perfect illustration for a lot of people because they tend to like put all of their furniture up against walls and backed into corners and so forth. And you have great real estate in that room that you're just not using. So with the desk, what I recommend, and this is something that you can actually do right now if you'd like to, pull
Okay.
it away from that wall. It's on casters, so you can
Yep.
bring it all the way forward in front of the shutters. And now take your Windsor chair and put that in back of the table. That looks approximately centered. Does
Okay.
anybody have a tape measure by any chance?
Yes. Yeah.
Take the rectangular table and move that toward the end of the day bed, running parallel, just as it is. Yep, exactly. Bring it forward a little bit.
I love this already.
You're
So good.
a wizard.
Yes.
Take the chair and ottoman,
Okay.
right? And put that in the corner off of the metro shelving.
Over here.
Yes.
Okay.
Carol, you had a lovely woven trunk in your bedroom.
I did.
Do you use that for anything?
It's stuffed full of tapestries and fabrics and things. Do we
Okay,
need to move it in front?
I would put that there.
Okay.
I'd be curious to see how that desk looks if you bring it out centered
A little-
against the back wall.
This way?
Yeah, that's great. And leave about, say, 18 or so inches from the end of the bed.
I think that's 8.
What have you got?
18 on the
Oh,
18 on the spot.
Yeah.
You're hired. Let's take the table and move it out into the room so that it's centered on that back wall.
Oh, I see. Oh, I like that better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
I think you can bring the table out a little bit further.
It's about 21 and a half inches. You want it out this way?
No, more
way.
into the
This way.
room.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I would, like maybe the center of the shutters is a good place.
I see.
Oh, yeah, that's great. And bring it down about 2 inches,
There?
up just a touch. And that's where it should go.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, but you know what, Jonathan? It looks really good where it is.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, it looks really good where it is.
really good.
Okay, let's put them up against the daybed, on the back of the daybed, so I can see what you've got. Okay, so the two on the right-hand side, those should be stacked above the rectangular table.
Okay, over there. Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So
over here.
you'll come off the table about stacked on top of each other. So bring the bottom one down, say about 3-4 inches.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay,
And
well,
then-
watch.
And then about 2-3 inches above that. Yep, right there. So
Okay,
those two
wait.
go there. So those two, the one you're holding and the one that Ellie's holding, are the most similar, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I would try the two other oils side by side above the daybed and try to get them in pretty tight to one another. Yeah, I like that. Give
Yeah.
them about, say, 3 or so inches in between to breathe.
Okay. Can you take a picture? Did you
Yeah,
get it?
got
Okay,
it.
that's heavy.
And I would actually reverse the order. I'd put the bigger one on the right.
Okay.
Oh, bigger one on the right.
Yeah, because we'll have the 3 older landscapes down above the table.
Right. And then maybe Luxembourg Gardens would be on the return wall.
Okay.
There's one other thing that I wanted to talk to you about before we're going to have to get off is the bookcases and arranging them. So for
Right.
the sake of simplicity, what I think you want to do is keep all of the books on the TV side.
Okay.
I like the stacks that you have on the lower level. Bring the other books over, make them neat and tidy in stacks above the TV. And then you have all those wonderful textiles. So I would take the smaller woven boxes and baskets and like do a shelf with that and then do another shelf with all of your textiles. And you could alternate, maybe do the bottom 2 shelves as textiles and then baskets and then more textiles.
Okay.
So that, and I would get everything off the floor because that's
Okay.
really going to change the appearance of the room
Okay.
and try to sort of curate it as a collection versus have things all spread out. And on that note, I'm going to have to say adios.
It's been
This was
so
your,
much
this
fun.
was your drive-through decorating.
Yeah.
I know. I love it. Thank you so much. And
You're
we're
welcome
gonna,
so much. Send me.
we're gonna
I
be
wa-
hanging stuff, and then when I get it all done, I'll send you the video.
That's perfect. And send me stills.
Okay.
And, if you have any questions or whatever, feel free to reach back and I'll send you my notes.
Yes, definitely
Okay.
send me your notes.
Okay,
I
fantastic.
appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, it was so much
fun.
fun. Thank you for all of your help, guys.
Yes, of course. Yeah. Bye. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
All right.
Bye. My contest winner, Carol of Houston, Texas, had a room with a lot of the right stuff in all the wrong places. She has this beautiful vintage rug. She's got lots of great photography. She's got a lot of great oils. She had a nice day bed, chair and ottoman, desk, and so forth. But, we really needed to mix things up so that the space would work more efficiently for her. And just 30 minutes later, in our online Zoom call, here's what happened. She was able to make the changes in real time with a little bit of assistance from her daughter and neighbor. And now we have a room that is really functional. It's not only attractive and more calming, but it's very utilitarian. The daybed is opposite the TV. You can actually see the TV. What a concept. You've got light pouring in over your shoulder if you're reading a book. You have the long view of the room when you're sitting behind the desk. And what a difference 30 minutes makes, huh?